All right, this is a little bit update about my push to start installation. I actually did have a issue because of my remote starter, because of my keyless entry remote starter alarm, and when I put the push to start button, it kind of had a complication because they are not synced together. So I managed to work it out, change the wirings, and I managed to make it work. So this is just an update of what's going on with this car. This is a project car that I have. So as you can see, everything now is done. Put everything now together. Um, so here's the so here's the push start. As you can see, the key is supposed to be, this is supposed to be a keyhole. Now it's a push to start button. And so the problem what I'm having is that because this is a standard, and also it has a remote starter, it's a complicated situation because when I remote started it, it has issue with the push to start. It will restart the vehicle. So I did a lot of thinking, and you know, managed to fix the issues. So here's how it works. So now, first you're gonna need this key, a transponder, in order for the vehicle to start. Without this key, the car will not start. As you can see, if I press this button now, even if I press the clutch, right, start the car, see, it will not start because it's looking for this transponder here. So here's the transponder. All I have to do is just toss this transponder here in this slot here, because that's where I put the antenna, and the antenna should be able to detect it, so we can start the vehicle. So press the clutch, brakes, and push this button, and voila, now the car is starting, right? So now everything is good, everything works fine. So now we want to remote start the vehicle. To remote start the vehicle, we have to put into the ready mode. So to put in ready mode, click this handbrake twice, put in brakes, click the handbrake twice, 1 2, and let it engage. And as you can see, it's blinking. That means we are in a ready mode. So all we have to do now is turn off this push to start, so the remote start will able to shut off the engine. Without turning this off, the car will always engage, so, or the engine will always running. So to turn this off, press the clutch, shut it up. Now the push to start is off. We go out to the vehicle, take our transponder here, close the door, and then as soon we press the lock button, as you can see, the car is still running. The reason for that, because this is a manual transmission, so that way we will not um, start the vehicle while it's in gear. So if we, as soon as I press this lock button here, the engine will lock. Actually, the engine will stop, and the vehicle will lock. There you go. So now the engine is off, the vehicle is locked and armed, because this thing has a alarm. So now all I have to do is to press this button here to remote start the vehicle. So let's do that. Just gonna take time a little bit. There you go. So the car start. So let's say we're going. So we unlock the car. So we go in. So now what we're going to do is what they call take over. So to take over, because right now the engine is running with the remote start, by the remote starter. So don't forget your transponder here, and then all you have to do is just press the clutch, right? This is the takeover. So I cannot press the brakes. If I press the brakes, the engine will shut up. That's for a security reason, so nobody can steal this car. Well, at least for most. And so press the clutch and press the engine start. So what does that mean? Now the push to start is engaged. So now the push to start, as soon as I press these brakes here, the remote start will off, and then the push to start will continue to run the engine. There you go. If you heard that click, that means we are running now with the push to start button. So now at this point we can go and put the car in gear, and you go up you go. So as you can see, you see from the beginning, you know how to put in the radio mode. So at this point, if I press this clutch and push that button, it will shut off the engine. There you go. Right? So now if I wanted to, but on this mode, I will not able to start the vehicle. So in order for me to start the vehicle, I have to put it into the radio mode, like what I did in the beginning. So yeah, so that's it for this. At least I managed to fix the issue. It's not really easy to fix because of the remote starter and alarm and everything, but at least I managed to fix it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.